Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Vira Octavionita. In this video, I will explain 4 case studies in digital media and youth identities. The first case is personal websites and friendship situating personal and social selves. The Digital Girls Research Team in Canada observed, followed, and interviewed young women about their daily usage of digital technology to demonstrate the complexity of identity in action. The question is how to use multimedia production to show how to identity in action are related. The method is the research team in Digital Girls interview with several young women from various social and cultural backgrounds. The main topic was how they use new technology, specifically how they use their own websites. Almost all websites have features. The websites for girls are imaginative and colorful, but those for boys' sites are less complicated. So, we can conclude the social media sites used by girls, the result is that their identity posts are neither predictable nor homogeneous. Second case, why I love my cell phone saying voice. Walia wants to help young refugees make the transition to life in the UK by building their confidence by using digital media and asks to learn to use the internet to represent themselves as they want to be seen. The question is, can media users represent themselves as they want to be seen and heard? The method is, Walia gives an illustration by narrating her digital story through a collection of images that depict her cell phone. Walia has success in establishing an identity in her online photos posting by using a poetic voice in public to portray her feelings to her cell phone. The conclusion is Walia has provided an example of how she built an identity to be seen by telling her digital story through a series of photos. The third case is in my room PowerPoint projection. The bedroom is an important place for most of the girls, a personal space in which they can experiment. The question is, what do girls' digital image of their bedroom reveal about identity and self-image? Collecting visual data as a part of a study that involves a group of 50, 11, and 12 years old girls from South Africa. The girls used digital cameras to take still pictures of their bedrooms. Then, using a selection of these images, they create a PowerPoint presentation which they show in the class. Collecting visual data as a part of a study that involves a group of 50, 11, and 12 years old girls from South Africa. The image the girls produced represented an interesting range of girl stuff. The girls expressed their identities more authentically and freely based on home life. So we can conclude the girls expressed their identities more authentically and freely based on their home life from photos of their favorite object. The fourth case is our collective selves. More than 25% of young people between the age of 15 and 24 HIV or AIDS positive. Through this case, we can see youth identity in action in relation to the notion of a collective self. The question is, how do young people create a collective identity through the video production? The method is Exploring by Digital Video Production Project entitled A Rape Involving Youth in the Rural District South Africa, which focus primarily on male groups. The video production can easily be read as a deeply disturbing and graphic representation of aggressive masculinity reinforcing negative stereotypes about boys and young men. Digital video entitled Rape Enveloping Young People in the Rural District of South Africa. Boys are depicted as though they are trying out identities that reproduce an image of an aggressively masculine role that is deeply disturbing. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.